This is 2025, and I know that part of the plan some people have is that they will start a YouTube channel this year. Yes, so and it's a very good one because I've been advising and telling people to start YouTube. You will not regret it, but all you need is for you to be patient. At the end of the day, you are going to reap your fruit. So guys, these days a lot of things are happening on YouTube. You get, we now have more YouTube teachers than students. You get, when the teachers are more than the students, you have like 50 teachers, but you have like 20 students. That is what we have on YouTube these days. Everybody is trying to be a YouTube educator. Everybody is trying to teach about YouTube, which is not bad. If that is what you can do, there is no problem about it. But it is very advisable that when you want to teach somebody something, make sure it is something you know. Stop coming to deceive people. So new YouTubers are the ones always falling for this trap. Nobody is telling you not to teach people how to grow their YouTube channel. Nobody is telling you not to do that. But by the time you start copying people and pasting on your channel, it's not because you experience that thing. It's not because it worked for you and then you say, oh, let me come and teach these people. Nothing like that. You just go to somebody's channel and watch something, then you come to your channel and talk about it. Is this so? Somebody will just come and do a video. If YouTube is not recommending your video, turn this on, go to YouTube Studio and turn this off, turn this on, and then you do a video, and the next thing is you say everything that other person said. It doesn't work like that. Please, when you are teaching people, make sure it is something that you are very sure of. You are very sure of. You did not turn on anything, you did not turn off anything because somebody just talk about it and the person's video is performing well. The next thing you want to do is for you to copy the person and paste, thereby deceiving people. It doesn't work like that. Small YouTubers, me too, I'm also a small YouTuber. Be careful, be mindful of the kind of videos you listen to. It's not because some of these people really care about you, they don't care. All they want is how they can get more views and generate money. You get. So I am not against their way. You get. All I want is stop deceiving people. All I'm saying is stop deceiving people. You can do better. Teach people what you know. Imagine somebody coming and teach you how to go viral, whereas that particular video that person is talking about on how to go viral, the video is still at 50 views 2 days, 3 days, 50 views. Teach what you know. And small YouTubers, be careful of what you listen to. It's not everything you listen to. Be careful so you will not harm your channel. There's somebody on this YouTube street that is still encouraging people to do sub for sub. Yes. There's somebody that will tell you, oh, that was what I did, oh, so it worked for me and it worked for you. When you know that sub for sub is not good, YouTube doesn't even like it. That's why sometimes when you finish doing your sub for sub and in one day you are able to get like 50 subscribers, you go to bed and you wake up the following day, you see that your subscribers count has reduced. And you begin to wonder, is it that these people that subscribe to my channel are now unsubscribing? Not knowing that it's YouTube that is removing those people. YouTube does not like sub for sub. If you do it, they will know. They will know. It's not like your video is getting views, like you post a video now and within 5 hours, the video has gotten 500 views. Nothing like that. You post a video and the video is still at 20 or 30 views and then you are getting 50 subscribers. How are they coming? It's not like they watch your video, nothing like that. Subscriber is just coming. YouTube will know that these subscribers are coming from sub for sub, so they will remove all of them. That is why you see people complain that their subscriber count is reducing. Yes, that is why. So you have to be careful in as much as you want to make money on YouTube. So first of all, why are you starting YouTube? Why? Ask yourself why. If YouTube is something you see yourself doing in the next 5 years, in the next 10 years, please treat carefully. Stop following all this trend that they are doing. Don't harm your YouTube channel. Don't spoil it. Be careful. Some people want to start YouTube today and monetize tomorrow. Doesn't work like that. Oh, you have to do it gently. You get. So I will stop here for today. I will continue another day. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.